All right, so day before yesterday, I'm trying to mow my lawn and the damn lawnmower won't stay running. It's done this before and it kind of pissed me off, all right? Not gonna lie. It's old, but it should run decent. There's nothing wrong with this mower. So eventually I get sick of it, right? All right, we gotta open this door here. Eventually I get sick of it, right? And I'm like, okay, I'm no fucking mechanic, but apparently I got a dick with the carburetor or something to get this fucking thing going. So there she be, right there. So I take the cover off and start inspecting on the lawnmower here. This old Poland Pro here. Yeah, look at this beast. 6.75 horsepower. So I realize when I take this cover off that there aren't really many adjustment screws on the carburetor. Now again, I am no fucking mechanic, but I can dick with some screws and see if shit gets better or worse, okay? But what I did notice was that there were some other things going on here, like this spring here and this spring here that, let me bring you guys closer. All right, so I noticed that this spring here and this spring here were attached to some shit that look important and go to the carburetor. So when I messed around with this, it made the idle go up or down. When I messed around with this arm right here, it closed some air port back there, which I still have no idea what it is, but I assume that it's the choke. So what did I do? Yeah, buddy, check this out. So this thing just stayed open. Now it's staying closed, which is nice. I might actually be able to leave this out now. But before it just stayed open the whole time. And that was no good because this is like closing a choke door or some shit. So I took this piece of tinfoil right here because I'm rednecker than you. Yeah. And I put that there piece of aluminum foil right in there like that. And we wedged that fucking arm closed. And this thing runs better than ever. I'm telling you, this thing... better than ever. This thing runs like a fucking champ. Check this shit out. I need my other hand here. All right, here we go. Listen to that kitty purr. Huh? That's what I'm fucking talking about. Woo, baby. Oh, yeah, buddy. Like a fucking champ. Oh. What's up, bitches? So you can just call me MacGyver. I'm out here fixing shit with fucking pieces of tinfoil and chewing gum and a couple of fucking matchsticks. So, yeah. You can add lawnmower mechanic to my, my resume.